Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon members, we appreciate your continued support. At our channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who firmly believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen. However, we do not extend this respect to those who disregard these principles. We strongly support preemptive strikes because they save lives, prevent the further loss, and promote safety. Now, that's a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of life. Our mission is clear: to save lives and stand against criminals. We are not a platform for criminals. We do not seek your views, subscriptions, likes, thumbs up, or comments. This channel is a sanctuary for justice. We firmly believe that criminals belong in prison or the departure lodge. At Madden, we do believe that criminals must live in fear of losing their lives and not the law-abiding citizens. If you are new to the Jamaica Young Police channel, we invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscription button and selecting all on the bell. You will stay informed whenever we release a new video. This channel is not about entertainment. It's about education, inspiration, and motivation. Our aim is to instill deep-seated aversion and hatred to criminals and corrupt police officers in our viewers. And we said criminal, but we're talking the thief in police and the one who broke people's house, broke people store, and all these things, and the police them are shake down the look of people them. Additionally, we have a Patreon channel where you can access exclusive videos that are not available on YouTube due to its rules and regulations. By subscribing to our Patreon, you show your support for our cause, and it's less than a cup of coffee. Thank you for being a part of our community. Now, let's move on to today's video. Yeah, so moving on to part 4 or 5, of Detective Corporal Blake sharing some very pertinent information about corruption within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. You have heard about some of our noted detective, putting their thumb on the scale of justice and collecting money, and in which case you investigated in even a shooting. As you heard them talking about a shooting with former Assistant Commissioner of Police Derek Clappinite, Arsmouth, Cowboy Knight, and you hear him talk about SSP Michael Phipps. That's the man who's at Kingston Western right now. The same man that the people in my community says that he had received information, he had received directive from Mark Baby Trump Golden to release a man who had killed Ichipang. I didn't know that that kind of policing is still around in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, but as we have heard, when a man is corrupt, nothing can stop him, because that's all he's going to give you is corruption. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Part 4 or 5. We continue your journey. Happened in a south. In the meeting with Wenford Robinson and thing, and me say, because I'm saying my street, I say, no man, it's unfair for a man who work 6 o'clock to come 8 o'clock and then you have 4 o'clock to come back 6 o'clock. Yeah, I remember me, yeah man, and I saw Scully, Fletcher and Morrison. I saw them join with me, and I said everything with the man I say are true. And night and Robinson said I rub off the mouth and them thing. I said to Robinson, I said, yeah what, my crime officer, I said to Robinson, say, hey look here, I'm telling you this. No man you can't clean the dirt off of my shoes, because you're baby police to me. I say you can't ask Cowboy, a clown to me. You understand? You don't do quarter work in this place like me and them thing. You can't nobody know. You understand? And I was after that meeting, I saw them them revert Fletcher and send him a Constant Spring him a Morrissey. Because them say, oh, them as the corporal you know, I take side with the constable. And
so that was the reason why them send him Morrissey and Fletcher?
Yeah, man, they're not it, man, because them decided.
Morrissey was transferred to Constant Spring. Yeah, no, both of them were transferred to Constant Spring.
Yeah, man, and I see him cowboy write document for Fletcher and revert him. Remember, say Fletcher, that's cool. Sometimes they don't like you. Them can free me and charge you now. Free them Fletcher and charge you.
Look, man, I'm afraid to talk, man.
Yeah, no, hey, look here. May I tell you, say, it could happen to anyone who happened to Fletcher. Alright, it's just like a man sell a car. A man sell a car. And you witness the sale. And that's a Fletcher charge, you know. I hit them use the charge Fletcher, you know. So far, you know, two people at the business and in the office and Fletcher had us a witness. And because them not like Fletcher, them cook up charge and charge him for conspiracy for fraud. And them get a court after, you know, when everything and it just say this a policeman that commit no crime. Anybody the man act like just like a JP because the man put him signature, him name, same witness the transaction, this amount of money passed between the two persons. So him involved in that. Yeah, all him do is witness.
The man was just a neutral.
Yes, you understand. So they must say, what else? Yeah. So I say, go. That them do with Fletcher.
That is the thing, Chris. When they want to destroy them, then we find anything to mash up. And if them can't listen, if they can't find nothing to mash up, they make people write things on your file, see him.
Yeah, man.
Some things will not even go so, and then guess what? Every time your name go for promotion, they say you're under investigation. And nobody now call you and say, boy, Blake, you're under investigation. You know?
No, man, them do that because them know alright. Me have a squad, you know, what them do, you know. And the man, he might only want to pass, me not call the rank, we pass the exam island wide, you know. And you know what the man them doing? It's like the week him to get promotion, other week them charge him for a murder where I'm 10 years ago. With no witness, you know, just like how you charge murder. Them charge him for murder with no witness.
Remember, I was charged just like a month after me get promotion, you know. And remember this. You remember there's a police officer in Jamaica now by the name of Nick Jonas. He is an attorney now. When Nick Jonas was going to sit the exam for the bar, you know, so the man them charged Nick Jonas, brother, tried derail the youth career.
The police was?
Yes, man, tried derail the youth career, charge the youth. I try to mash up the youth career, brother. I see the youth
come once in elected, man, that's what them do.
Yes, man, a good police, because guess what, the man is an attorney and still, I want if him get sergeant yet. I don't even know what he rank be right, and the man is an attorney, yeah. Because, well, he might move up, but he may not the clique.
Yeah, you have to be part of it, man. You have to be part of it.
For accelerated promotion, you have to be in the clique, you know.
Yes, man.
When you move up, you have to be in the clique, you know, so it's going on.
But look for now, Mackenzie, where you see that on spear. Mackenzie, you know, I don't know if you know about the truck, you know, so Mackenzie sell a tanker full of gas in a on spear. When one police, one constable sees the truck, you know, for the man, you know. I shake the policeman, I shake down the gas man, you know. Because you don't know that good charm. Like me, you know, I'm not busy about the man and sell them illegal gas. Because that's not my thing. You know what I'm saying? I feel them way that for us learn them thing that we know say it's illegal. But many people them we have interest in it, make them go deal with that. Me not work in the Jamaican retail and gas and you understand? That them and between me and them I feel them informal employment system that in them community. I know say boy them actually gas it I work them work, you know. You understand? And whether or not you want to believe in it, it's same, you know, so same big man them on a picture drama, feed them operation that, you know.
I'm feed them operation, man, you're just a salesperson.
Yeah, you understand? And the police hold on the man truck. Hold on the man truck and want to shake it. And man saying no the money at the time. Carry the truck down on spear and Mackenzie take over the case and Mackenzie sell every gas out of the truck. When I'm an inspector. Same thief in Mackenzie where they have to inspect these. But because in our store and then the man who want a fee truck, I have to give the man $300,000 to get back in one truck. And me I tell you say man call me and I tell me say boy Mr. Porter, I wickedest police them this man. The man thief the gas out of the truck and me have to pay if he get back my truck. And me not commit no crime.
Wickedness that man.
Well, and get deputy superintendent, I am my crime chief out of Kingston East. At one point, I remember you saw life funny. You know, say him, you know how him get inspector. Owen Ellington, him was Owen Ellington farmer, Clarendon and areas. Pig enough for Owen Ellington, you know. You know, you hear me say? Yeah, man, big man, you know, him have pig pen down there. I saw him get inspector and I raise ag for where
raise pig and get inspector. And people out the road aside gunshot and I get gunshot and I get mash up out the road.
Hey, at one time you ever shoot somebody in my constable and be charged. For shoot a man as Santa Cruz. One somebody, the man they cut, the man they feel they shadow. But one thing the man they thief do, you know, cause the man they was drugs mule, you know. The man is cooking and belly come America, you know. I tell you, you know. I mean, my cousin the police where him and him as batchmate, you know. All of them used to have me a pen. The man they are drugs mule, I tell you.
The police are them things too.
Yeah, man. The same and him a crime.
A guy can't approach me about certain things, you know.
Yeah, man.
Unapproachable when it comes to certain things, you know. You can't approach me about certain things, you know.
Then I see him.
Let me tell you something, Chris. You think I'm going to play with people, you know, Chris, when it comes to corruption, you know?
No.
I was living at a house one time. I'm a landlord. Find out some police. And the landlord approached me. And the landlord said to me, listen, him have information when can get me from some drugs, man, for just read the thing and take away the thing for them. I will take away the thing. Me not have to worry about nothing else. See me sell it and can him have the link. I saw him. I look like I saw him at a long time.
Yeah.
So I just look at him and say, brother, listen, you're backing up the wrong tree now. I'm not that type of police to hear.
Yeah, that's
Find out me not deal with him again. You see me answer that? Find out me not deal with him, come realize, say, oh, what him feel like?
I'm a carousing, man.
You're carousing that, and then realize when we live at the house, nice house, you know, the house is so nice and such a nice house, and he can't live in his own yard.
Why?
Because guess what? Man want to kill him.
Because you never did know before you got in the place.
Man, when me there at the place, me see some man a circle the place. And me stand up at the fence more time and I watch and see some car a circle every day, the same car them. And we see man walk them through. But me have my gun, me lean up on the wall and have my gun and watch them. And one day a man come and ask for somebody. But me don't have my gun because I've been trying and I look off him face screaming gunshot. Me I watch him. So one of the boys them I look for him. Them I ask about him. I say, listen, I'm a tenant. I don't see he don't come here. You know what I mean, Dan?
I make sure you have everything ready, sir.
I'm going up on the fence ready with me and my Glock with my 30 clipping out ready to breeze it in his face. Because I know say a gunman. You see me after that? I look for him to kill him. And that is the reason why them I look for him to kill him, because him go around and use people to rob people and take with them things.
Yeah.
I make sure move from there too. You see me after?
Boy, the police force not care of a good police like you and them thing there. And we know all go already, you know. Can I tell people, you know, the guy can't just come tell me things about the police and them thing there, you know. Me know the police them are thief. Me know all like thief in police.
Look what the man them do me, Chris. Look what the man them do me. Me get shot in the line of duty, you know, and the man them stop pay me, you know.
Two times, yeah.
And there's a me know of a police where in the work where from the 80s I think, you know. Where police give him wrong pill to take and he can't walk and in then the work see me I get paid, you know, and he no work, you know, and he can't walk.
Police doctor then give him wrong pill?
You know, back in the 80s the police work, police used to get pill, you know. Like a man get a STD and police always have a pill.
Yeah.
I know the police tell, but you just remember about the police, you know, the police, the one police, I'm not tell you one station, because I know nobody spoil it.
Yeah.
But him get a police give a man bad injection or bad pill or whatever, but
no man, me know about that case, man. Him did catch gun around and get bad injection and he can't walk.
And he can't walk, and guess what? I know me not the work over 40 years there and now work and still getting paid. But yet still me get shot by another police and the one Stuart see me come on speed and call people make them stop paying me. You see what I'm saying? Trust me. But I'm sure when they want to get rid of you and they want to mash you up, then they use every means necessary.
Yeah man, them use the system, man. And them in charge of
system for you. And the system is only for people who are not them friends, you know, the system is only
yes,
for
man.
people who walk the straight line. Yeah, the rules of the system is only for the people who walk the straight line.
Then you know, so the same Mackenzie, you know. You know, I'm Meveral Smith, Mackenzie still in there working, because I'm should lose the work, you know. And you know, say him see a man stab all Meveral Smith in him back.
Man, tell you.
I tell you, that's what you get. Hey, look here. Remember saying, my mother always say, my mother say, it's not every hungry dog you see, you know, you feel sorry for a feed, you know. Some of them just want a little strength to bite you.
Some of them just want a little strength to kill you.
Bite. Yeah, man, yeah. And every hungry dog you see, you feel sorry for a feed. Some of them, the mother say, some of them, Just want a little strength for bite.
A real thing, man. They have strength.
Yeah, man.
Kill you. Better know that. You better know that, brother. I study. This is how the system set up.
Man.
And
corruption, man.
You know, a lot of police right now, when know me, look for me and say, Blake, me done with the working and me just go through the motion in the Blake. Because them can deal with you. The way me see them deal with you, brother. So when me I kill up myself, the way me see them, the organization deal with you, Blake, why would I be killing out myself? Police look for them things that you know, Chris. I tell you that a man realize that the good police them and suffer like dog. No,
as we say, if them not like you, them find some. If them not tell lie on you, them find somebody to tell lie on you.
But if they enough, yeah, me I tell you, they don't find nobody to tell lie on you. Them tell lie on you. If them can't tell lie on you, they find somebody to tell lie on you. If I live in a community where you live and grow up, they find somebody to tell lie on you. Because when the man tell me, say me I run gang up a Walter and make me surprise out of my wits. So me I run gang a Walter and Park Road. So me ask them, say then if me I run gang, me wouldn't have money then, cause you can't have the dog them and not feed them. Yeah, them laugh. Alright, man. Good enough, Chris. Sorry for the Jamaican people right now, no, Chris.
Yeah.
Alright, man.
People themselves from man.
Man like me when they see you Riverton and call a little bit again, you know. From down they turn back down there in a good place again like when me was there. You see what I'm saying? Because when with a little time I take a break when I was charged and I wasn't in Seaview, God, the place turned back, not germs. Crime.
You know, so people them, you know, so some people from Seaview tell me, say, boy, after them say, them, you know, so I didn't know, say, Bill was, I know, was good police and them thing. The people them are
Bill like good police, no man be like good policeman. Bill is a station in me at Seaview. Yeah, Bill work at Seaview, good policeman, one of the best policeman. I want thing you Bill, you know. You keep Bill not take chat. You can't look him as a woman neither, you know, are you? And you can't give him no money, you know, you can't buy him out, you know, corrupt. Bill is one of the most, trust me, Bill is a very decent, hard-working detective. No,
true, man, Matthew Bill.
We know him work to Matthew Bill. We know him work.
Yeah, man, go on talk.
Bill know him work. You can't bribe Bill. You can't buy out Bill, and you can't friend Bill.
Yeah.
And straight jail you go. I not take no talk for nobody. Nobody can come to Bill with nothing for nobody. Bill, very decent policeman. I think he left the job, you know. Because I spoke to him some time ago. But he's no longer, I think he's no longer serving. Matthew Bill, good policeman. He was at Seaview, Chris. We used to work together at Seaview Gardens for some time. But he's no longer, I think he's no longer serving in the organization anymore. Because they never promote Bill like that. He was never promoted. He was overlooked. Yeah, tell you that. You there? Chris?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Complete, man. I want to even cut off. And I hear and you understand. You cut off, man. Well, I don't know how you get cut off, Virgin. Yeah, so you know, you have been listening to Detective Corporal Blake. Yeah, man, one of the more the last name brand detective in Jamaica. You understand? I don't know what happened to his connection. I've been hearing him, but I don't know what happened, why he was disconnected. But it's technology, so we try to get him. We'll try to get him back. But hopefully, you're learning some things about our police force and how corruption, is the order of the day within. You understand? And you have to be connected. You have to connect to, get promotion. And if you're not if you're not a part of the, you know, the cabal, yeah, people, they don't care about you, you know, you understand? That's how it is. You know, Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. They don't care for, you know, for hard-working police officers, and them afraid, you know, them not playing, you understand? These corruptors within the police force, if you once you're not working with them, yeah man, them frame you, you understand? That's their thing. You know, more or less Blake is you know, whatever device he's using there or something. So, you know, we have lost the connection. But hopefully you have learned a lot, and you learn about the police force and its intricacy of how, you know, how the people them within the police force, how them operate. And it's all about connection and who know who. So the only way we can really get back to basics when it comes on to the police force is that we have to have honest, decent and ethical police officers in the police force per se. The reason why the crime is at this juncture is that the police hierarchy, you know, the police hierarchy, they're in cahoots with the criminals. They also the criminals are the criminals, you know, are the politicians, you know. They are the one that dismantle the police force, make the detectives impotent, so the detective not doing any work, you understand? So them have the uniform police out there. And the people them rightfully say that the uniform police officers in Jamaica, most of them are thief, and we're not going to deny that. Well, we're not going to say most, we're going to say some of them. Or especially on the one that you call the OST, you know, say, everything you're always going to have good and you're going to have bad. But when you put the people them, like when I was growing up as a young man in Jamaica, you understand? It was the name brand police them that drive fear in the heart of criminals. You understand? Why we were able to live in our community, because as we say, sleep. When Prime Minister says people get asleep with them door open, the man not broken in your place because you have them kind of detective there and them thing, and they never play. You understand? Man like the great Tom Levine. You know, before there was any Trinity and Leng and Bigger Ford, that's the man. That was the man that, you understand? That man named Tom Levine, the baddest detective ever in Jamaica. But the reason why you don't hear about the man is because the man is a politician. And not only that, in his time, even in music and them thing, the criminal, the way all criminal free them I can't feed me in a song and them thing, because the man in the play. Them the man, Tom Levine was the kind of detective. When the man come and look for a criminal and leave a message, man have diarrhea. If you don't know what diarrhea mean, yeah. I saw Isaiah Lang did operate to and them thing there. I saw the man there, because I take off of my community. You know, Trinity did have theme name to all them thing there, because Trinity did come in my community, and them the same people them are doing some burn up the car. Trinity did in there, them are talking and shooting, you know. Yeah, we are telling you, you understand. But we can't tell you, man. Tom Levine, before there was any Trinity, Lang, Bigger for Tony with our Dadrick Henry, Bobby Reds and all of them police there. Man, this man has sent over 160 Jamaican murderers to the departure lounge. So that's why the government, them, both political parties, them don't want them kind of police anymore in Jamaica, you know? Because they want to know, because remember, them, it's bird of the same feather flock together, you know? Because if they wanted a better police force and a better Jamaica, they would have reinstate back the detective them. Those of you who live in the United States of America, and if you live, especially like in a Miami community, in the crime-ridden community, them, you are gonna know that you especially, we are talking about criminal, you know, we are talking about people involved in a crime. Jamaican in a Miami-Dade County, or you understand, or in a Broward County. You, for your criminal, you know the detective them on the street where a criminal them afraid of. We're not talking about uniform police, detective, and that's in America. So in Jamaica, you know the detective on the street again. People are 13 years, they make the detective impotent. A unit them talk about CTAC and appeal to young police. Some of them right now when you see that CTAC mad. A woman called me and tell me say her son did that CTAC and all kind of thing, and her son mad now. And he not reach 30 yet. And everybody can manage them thing there. And everybody brain mature if they can deal with them thing there. So them are use a little youth, them and destroy them life. So them now, them feel this ego business and them feel like say boy, yeah, boy, me da C-Tac and me send me send how much criminal guard the departure along and them thing there. And everybody can deal with it. Some people get mad after a while because once you have a conscience and everybody can have and reach that point where them get that, when they reach a point where them have to drink, them have to smoke, just like a Tom Levine, you understand? Even up to now, Trinity will do it, Trinity almost blind. Trinity will drink, you know. Leng have to drink because him conscience clear and Tom Levine. You understand? You know, bigger food drink, you know, so that drink any dead, Tony with dead. Bigger food drink and them thing, but and the next thing now, bigger food now beard, bigger food now show and them thing there. I want to say, boy, him go for Brentford Road the other day and he was say, wait, I what smell? So I realize, a bigger food now beard. Man, I come here and say, boy, your friend, bigger food now beard. I say, oh, that. We must not live with no woman and all them things there, so. I don't know how it is, I mean. But I'm living at 87 and the man behave like them still young, see me, and the man is upon the alert. But if he say a guy can't say all them man there and rob them, no man, them say the street to the departure lounge, man. You understand? Trinity will do it, Trinity, him have him eyesight, him just walk, hey, when a man lose all one of them sense in him, other senses them turn up, you know. So if the man here, you understand, the man is still saying the departure lounge. As we say, and you know, we are said to our brother Isaiah Ling, because we have enough respect for them man. We tell him, yeah, we remember in August 86, you know. Don't remember the boy name from Upper Havana. Boy got prison, him did commit some crime, them and all them things and Ling. And the boy talk, so anytime he come from prison, he might kill Ling. And him come from prison the Friday and the Saturday, and that's why I tell you, you know, back then, you know, police kill criminals, you know, but in the Black Road, you know, because them say have murder of them. In the 90s that I PMP and them they deported them and them bring that kind of culture from America to Jamaica. Because back then police Jamaican people, police kill a murderer, them say yeah, him live by the gun, him die by it. Nobody now go they go defend him. That's why you have a Jamaican for justice. Yeah man, I remember honestly, I remember my boy name man. When Ling go reach them and the other police them. As the boy start beat at half a length man and me there my yard at concrete jungle that Saturday. And here they shot them. And next thing boy, yeah man, a length that I pass man with the open the boy 2 foot them in them clocks. Yeah man, 2 foot them out. Those were hey, them time there, criminal living a fear of losing them life. You understand? So those are you who come from the inner city who were police officer would I know. Hey, that's why I don't like Sierra, you know. That's why I love Sierra, you know. You saw a police vehicle, you know. Yeah, man. When you Opel, yeah, you understand. You see them vehicle, eh? Opel was, yeah, man. Opel was a real earth on them thing, eh? Anytime you see Leng and Tom Levine and all them man in them vehicle, eh? Them man are not going until them are go straight, them are scare somebody going on a mad on them thing, eh? Them man are not come out of a police station and just go drive because they love drive and say them a patrol. Them man operate like CIA operative or Navy SEAL. Them man no harass people. Them no drive on and search out. Outside them man no do that. Cause I can't tell you, all Burke and all of them man them used to hang out with and Eli and weed out our corner and them thing there. And when not even mobile reserve police we say that in the 80s. And the police never harass me and them thing and I say boy this and that. That's I just be a decent people they just want them thing there. When police come, they will go down more about Puss and them thing there. That I don't know which part George Bank boy them hang out, cause them a gunman. We are not a gunman. You understand? But back then, you have police, yeah man, Leng was the man who drive fear in the heart of criminal. And I see him police them see him on, you know, them help fight against Leng, you know, cause and them see him and say Leng a labor right, you know. That's one of the main reasons why them get rid of him. Because the man are doing work, yeah man. And you never find the police again like Blake, you know. Blake I last remnant I name brand police. In the police force. You have a little youth that name Blackwood that once me, but Blackwood a thief. I always say that we don't apologize. Yeah man, Rowan Blackwood a thief. And him could have ball blood, Rowan Blackwood a thief. You can't be a police and you're a thief. You are the police to me, you're a thief. You understand? Blackwood, him that unspeared. He must say work on himself. Dangerous police, but him a thief though. So I Blake at the last, you have Gunter with a unspeared, you have Mford Wade. Right now, and you have all the brother where SSP, Wayne Joseph, the man, they're not ordinary police, I tell about bad police. Yeah, dopey police and the police. Dopey police are criminal. Yeah, dopey police and the police. The man, they are criminal. When we are telling us, you understand? We are telling about police where you as Jamaican, you can't trust. You understand? Some police, you can't trust them. Because as you hear, the people themselves are jungle and them thing there. Even people them are jungle and Jones, so them say, tell you, them not trust this man, they don't trust Michael Phipps one bit, And them say, boy, him in a pocket, I criminal them. Rick Dick, him in a pocket, Rick Dick, and him in a pocket, a Blackie boy, because Blackie boy, girlfriend, she had deputy superintendent of the police. That's why them dismount special brand. Oh, if you have a police woman, the fear man, a Dan and drugs dealer, and she get promotion, oh, that pass. Because her coverage, she have coverage within her police force. But yet still, if you look man, forget promotion, him have to do lie detector while them not have to do none. So the system is designed to protect the criminal in the force. And as I hear Blake say, I just the people of Jamaica I'm sorry for. I'm sorry for the people of Jamaica. We sorry for all of them. But we just want to make a country and them thing there. As we say, I will continue to say, you have two, when I not you want to believe it, as some people say, some of YouTube, as them say, some of YouTube, they're not patriots, them is just all about. Them not going to say things were sensitive because them don't want to hurt other people's feelings or them don't want to lose views, they don't want to lose subscribers. So them take the controversial topics that them talk about. We don't talk about, the people them will report on news and I tell you boy, who do this or who do that. Nothing wrong with that. But as I said to you before, these people are not the problem. The problem is 63 people in a parliament, whether or not you want to believe it. It's the legislators, them in Jamaica, they are the problem. It's not the little man with a fire gun. You understand? Oh, you have a policewoman with a man with a big time drugs dealer and murder and gangster. And she beat the system and get that promotion because of connection, corruption. You understand? Whilst you have good police, you have good police within Kingston West, but them don't make it because them are not friend with Mikey Phipps, as them say. As you hear Detective Corporal Blake say, boy, Phipps is one of the most corrupt police he ever worked with. And Phipps a senior soup, and that was when Phipps was DSP. So Phipps reached SSP, he must get promotion to soup. And guess what? Mikey Phipps and Owen Ellington, they were a cadet together. I was a cadet, I was a police cadet too, just like Gary Mackenzie, and Gary Mackenzie are corruption too. Yeah, so who you can't trust in the police was. As you hear me tell you them thing, the same police and here a man, so me tell you police there, a man I say, boy, so all them say you're labor and you big up MacArthur, Southern and my PMP. Hey, look here, I never see myself as a politician, I see myself as police and a Jamaican. I never see myself as a labor, I just talk the truth. A man just feel for use that brush there because them have a conscience to speak the truth about what happening in them community. You understand? Just like how me say, because I was on the street, on the road and them thing there, innocent and just out. No labor never shoot off of me, I'm not going to tell a lie for them. Innocent and just out. Blake say people shoot off of him, I wasn't there, so I can't go say a lie. I tell him, I talk about his experience. You understand? You have to understand, say, people are connected and them thing there. I remember say you have. So we have come to the end of part 4 of 5. Yes, listen to Detective Corporal Evan Blake, the last name brand police officer in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. They don't make detective like him anymore because in Jamaica the detectives are impotent and the bigger heads, the lawmakers and the police high command, they're all in cahoots with the criminal organization, politicians. So they dismantle it, put the detective impotent. And it started from a man who ate detective in a man. One of the most corrupt commissioner of police. I'm looking at ball blood, Owen Ellington, and the most corrupt commissioner of police. When Ellington couldn't even get for carried to be a dog catcher in America because of his corruption before he ascended to the highest office as a law enforcement officer in Jamaica. But we soon tell you why I'm resigned. Why am I for resigning in midline night? First that ever happened in history of Jamaica Constable resigning in a disgrace. Couldn't even go back in our office. Yeah, so this is, we come to the end of part 4 or 5. Yes, and you see Michael Phipps that you hear Detective Corporal Blake talk about. Yeah, Phipps, although, you know, we have a lot of respect for him, but from Detective Corporal Blake and the man, they tell you say them man they corrupt. Come go, because Blake is the man who don't tell like Pam Police, we can't tell you that. So from Evan Blake say, Michael Phipps, corrupt, same corrupt. The man in a whole balls, the man in stay like me, the man in a whole balls and no guy, You understand? So we have come to the end of part 4 or 5, so have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel.